Tired of drowning in data and struggling to prove your digital marketing ROI? Let's transform the chaos into clarity by building a powerful digital marketing report in Google Looker Studio in just a few steps. First, open Looker Studio and click the Create button. Then select Report to start a new, blank canvas. Now, connect your data sources. Choose from Google Analytics, Google Ads, YouTube Analytics, or other platforms. Authenticate your account and select the specific data view or account you want to use. Next, visualize your data. Drag and drop the chart types that best represent your KPIs, such as time series for website traffic, bar charts for ad performance, or pie charts for audience demographics. It's time to customize your charts. Fine-tune the appearance by changing colors, adding labels, and adjusting the axes to make the data easier to understand. Add interactive filters to explore your data in depth. Use date range pickers, channel selection drop-downs, or other controls to segment your data and identify trends. Finally, share your insights. Click the Share button to invite collaborators, schedule email reports, or generate a shareable link. Now, you can showcase your successes and drive data-driven decisions.